equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the screen on your Lenovo ThinkPad E14. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively complete the screen replacement. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the process. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. Now, locate the screen connector. It is usually situated near the hinge of the laptop. Carefully disconnect the cable by pulling it straight out. If you find it difficult, you can use the spudger to gently lift the connector. With the connector removed, we can now focus on the screen itself. Flip the laptop over and remove the screws securing the screen to the bezel. There are typically 4 screws, 1 in each corner. Once these screws are removed, gently lift the screen away from the bezel. Be cautious, as the screen may still be connected to the laptop via a cable. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any remaining screws or clips. Once the screen is free, disconnect the cable by pulling it out gently. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop anywhere. Now, take your new screen and connect the cable to the laptop. Ensure it is securely attached before proceeding. Align the screen with the bezel and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently to avoid cracking the screen. After securing the screen, flip the laptop back over and reconnect the screen connector. Make sure it clicks into place. If you need assistance, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. Once everything is connected, replace the back panel of the laptop and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable and power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything works correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Lenovo ThinkPad E14 screen. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.